Alright, that should be good. Hello! Terry Logic here. Or should I say yo, because I've been trying to make that my new intro. I'm going to be doing a cooking video today. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I'm not going to say it. But you should look behind you though. So, what we need to do, I think we need to let me just go ahead and grab the cookie first. I know what you're probably thinking, like the average cookie is a normal size and there's probably like several different cookies, but you see, I got the pizza cookie. That Mama Craig's. The chewy gooey chocolate chunk. $4.25, removed from plastic, place cookie on tin in the middle of the oven. Heat for 3 minutes or until cookie is warm. Well, let's go ahead and get to it. Set the oven to 425. Probably could have like set the oven before I started doing this, but you know, I'm in the middle of editing the first Terraria video right now, and I figured that I'd take a quick break and give me a snack. Now this looks amazing. Get that shit out. This looks amazing. I want to eat this. I want to devour this. I believe. I don't know if I'll eat the whole thing, but I will at least try it on camera just to like prove to you I'm not bullshitting and not like just trying to poison you or something if you get this yourself. So. I don't want to break the cookie, but I want to show you what I'm doing. Oh yeah. It has that like nostalgic smell to it almost. I love the way that the chocolate chips smell in there. And I love when the chocolate chips are like this, when they're shaped like these like squares and stuff. Like you see that? I don't know how to I hope this is picking up properly on the camera, because if not, you're just gonna see like half of me and then a lot of like random cookie in your face. Which a lot of people pay good money for, depending on what scenario you're in, but that's not what we're doing right now. Remember, keep your eyes up here when fighting crime. That's what Batman said. Real, not fake. Just again, to show us the pizza cookie. Chewy, gooey, chocolate chip, or chunk, sorry, with, from Mama Craig. So many ingredients. There's turmeric in there? Turmeric? All the way at the, you see that? They put turmeric in there? That's nice. Well, I guess in order to wait for the cookie to be done, we could properly get rid of this cardboard box. Make sure to do this to make it easier to like get it at least to like this size, so that I don't have to like cut myself on the bag while I'm trying to throw the bag out. I think we need to make some coffee to go with this. I know what you're probably thinking, but you already have a cup sitting right there next to you, but oh, would you look at that? I need a new cup of coffee. Might as well take you through the process of me making my coffee too. This is a legendary process. Nobody's ever seen this one before. Take your coffee pot and rinse it. This is still recording, right? It hasn't just suddenly given up. Okay, thank God. I hope the audio isn't awful right now. I don't have a microphone for this, and I didn't feel like carrying my camera around with me this whole time. So, this isn't actually Hills Bros. There's like a different mixture of coffee in here, but you know, this is a good place to start if you want to. Now, personally, I like to have a lot of coffee. I like to make I like to make it pretty strong. So what I like to do is like, you see how I get like a nice scoop and I just slap that right against the side. It's like an automatic coffee leveler for you. Slap that in. By the way, I got now this like reusable filter because we don't have any paper filters right now. This goes hard. It allows some of the coffee grounds to get through there, so you can get that like nice coffee ground flavor there. Unless that's not what you like, but I don't mind personally. I'll do 2.5 scoops just because I'm showing you the process. Now I have a really big ass cup, so this isn't a normal like 8 or 10 ounce cup. This is a Dragon Ball cup. You see, look, the Dragon Ball, right? There's Goku. It's a really cool cup. It's kind of messed up. You might be able to see what happens with it. So this isn't a normal 8 or 10 ounce cup. This is like always check your oven before you turn it on. Don't ever just do what I did and just turn the oven on, because what if somebody left their pizza in there, or like a calzone or something like that, you know? This is a 12 or 14 ounce cup, maybe 16 ounces. Does it say? No, it doesn't. Cinnamon. Add just a little bit to your coffee if you want a little bit of that extra spice in there. A little extra flavor. Now, I have my own method of pouring the coffee water in there, but I would recommend depending on what coffee you use, 1 scoop or 2 scoops per cup of water that you have, like 10 ounces of water. So what I usually do is, since I like to make a lot of coffee, is I use my 2.5 scoops, right? If it's really strong, I only use 2, but if it's really weak, I gotta use 3 or 4 sometimes. But then I take this, and there's this little number. Just grab the whole fucking coffee pot and show you. Ah, my thumb. There's this little number right here, and I fill it up to here. I think it's like 4 cups of coffee or something like that, or whatever. Like, it's gonna make basically a whole pot because how small this pot is, but trust me, it's just the right amount. It gets you a cup and a half of coffee, so you can get your coffee in, and then you can come back for a refill. Only my real coffee addicts will understand that one. All right. Well, now we wait. You hear that? That's the sound. That's the sound of success right there. That's the coffee being made. Would you look at the time? I see the oven's telling me that it wants to cook cookies. Let's get to it. Yeah, just one last time for like a comparison. Just, don't drop the good one. It smells so good. All right, I'm gonna put that in there. I think it said 3 minutes, so I don't know if the coffee will be done by then, but I don't care. We'll be able to still get some in that time. I don't know who likes summertime more than wintertime, but like those people are built different. Because like you can bundle on more clothes in the wintertime, but you can't unskin yourself in the summertime, you know? Oh my god, the timer's almost done. Right when I finished my original cup of coffee. Alright, it's time to show you the squid diddly. Get your sugar, and you pour that in there. Sorry, pour that shit in there. Don't pour it on the ground. Okay, kitty. You need some food, kitty? Here. There you go, Gato. Go on. Just right there. There you go. Alright, half and half. Shake that shit up so that's nice and combined. Don't shake it too much. Shake it more than thrice and you're playing with yourself. Shake it 4 times and you end up with cheese. But shake it about 2.5 to 7 times and you're just fine. You gotta figure out the balance, you know? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I don't really feel like grabbing any oven mitts right now, so if I like lose my fingers here, that's not that bad. Especially when it's like my fingers are like frozen cold already as is, so. Is this done? I'm gonna let it sit for a minute while this coffee kind of drains off for a second. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie, like, can you see that? Yeah. Oh, I wasn't even showing that to the camera. Oh, it looks good. Uh-oh. Well, we're gonna have to just deal with it. If, like I said, the footage, if it, there's only one shot, so how the f do I eat this? All right, coffee pots are done enough for me. There's another cat in here who also needs some food. There, you can get some food too. Let's go ahead and show you what's really cool about this cup. See, it's like water on it. Crap. I want to make sure it's on camera too. Am I on? Is that on? Is that on? Is that okay? That should be on camera. So you see this, and then the lid, whatever, should work. Hopefully it doesn't skip. Oh. The lid is like, you gotta like turn it. It's. I'm not gonna explain the lid right now. It's just a goofy lid. See this? Look. Yeah. Right? Looks like I'm just pouring coffee in there, right? I was probably thinking, what is this dumbass doing? But watch, wait. When I stir it. And then look at the back. Look at the back. It's the dragon. Yo, look at him. It's the dragon. It's the Dragon Ball Dragon. This cup is so cool. I really love this cup, honestly. I got it a few years ago. I think at Spencer's. I also saw dick-shaped whistles. There was like 50 dick-shaped whistles in one pack. I don't know who needs that many dick-shaped whistles in one pack. You would think that like 3 would be enough, but to each his own. Now, the moment of truth. How does this actually taste? How do I even get this out of here? I guess I'll just do it like this. I could have cut a slice, but chewy, chocolatey, but not too much. Texture is just right. I love the way the batter tastes too. It has that like nice like crystallized sugar taste, but not too like overpowering. I don't want to eat this whole thing. I'm gonna get sick if I do. Oh. I don't even like chocolate like that. Yeah, no, I would definitely recommend buying that. I don't know who would eat that all in one go, but I wouldn't recommend trying that. I would recommend trying the cookie, not eating it all in one go. If I had to rate it, I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. No, 8 out of 10, because this is actually good. I can see myself wanting to get more of these. Let me finish chewing, I'm sorry. I can see myself wanting to get more of these, but like, my hands are filthy now. I don't think that this would be a regular occurrence, just because the actual like thought of it and the grandeur of it, but yeah, no. Cookie pizza is 7 out of 10 for me. So thank you for watching and learning the process with Dairy Logic. If you have any recommendations or anything like that below, then let me know in the comments below and all that. And if you want to see more like this, then let me know. Guess I'll get back to working on the Terraria video now. Oh my god, excuse me. That's delicious. It's like a giant brownie cookie. But thank you everybody for watching. Ciao.